Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, look how cool it is. It's by Deb Strain. It's America, 250 years. There's this panel. Yes, it's nice that there's a shelf there. I can just toss it. And then the same thing, but the navy background, okay? And then these are all your bolts. Of course, she included the shaded solids. Those are stunning. We've loved them in her last, I think, 2, maybe 3 lines, and they're just as good in this line. Don't worry, I'm sure we'll do some fun stuff with this in terms of kits. So if you're like, oh, I don't know what to do with it, we got you covered. If you just love it, just buy it. This is a restock because, boy, y'all bought 2 bolts of this 108, and bam, it's back for all your quilt backing needs. Follow me this way. All right, so we also got a line called Elizabeth, which isn't really indicative of what it looks like, but it's super cute by Studio E. Look, there's the tiny strawberries. They're so cute. I don't know what we're gonna do with that yet, but I think it's gonna just make a great half-yard bundle no matter what. Like you can, oh, it's just good. Okay, then I have a bunch of panels, but they're book panels, so they're not really panels, guys. Okay, this is the, so the instructions are on here of how to make it into a book. All right, so it's, this is Be Who You Were Created to Be. So, you know, be wise, be curious, be humble, be kind, be brave, all those fun things. Next one is The Farm. This is old McAnderson's. It's a farm with all the little farmyard animals. Okay, super cute. Then we have, this is the little reader about, I can't remember. Do you see what I see? That's right. How cute is that? And then we have the 7 Days of Creation, because no tiny book or nursery would be complete without the 7 Days of Creation in the beginning. Look at that. It's so cute. I hope it's day 7 soon so we can rest, right? All right, then I have to just come along here. All the patterns are laid out nicely. Okay, first we have Old Glory. We're gonna actually have a kit for this. So you can buy the pattern now if you want, but we are gonna have a kit in the Andover line. That is what's on the cover. Then we have Fly the Flag. Okay, Amy Smart. Then we have Liberty, Stars, and Stripes. Okay, then we have Poppy and Vega. Oh, this one just is, it's my Southwest vibes, friends. Southwest vibes. Okay, so all of these are going to be great in Patriotic, first of all. This is technically, the letters are paper piecing, but Mom's going to make it, and she thinks she can do it without, because they're like half square triangles on the end of rectangles, and I feel like you're a good enough quilter, you can figure it out too. So don't let that scare you away from the pattern or the kit, okay? Okay. That is all that's new for this week. If you're going to watch the Fresh and Fab, nope, this is Fresh and Fab. If you're going to watch the Fab Stash show on Sunday with Caleb and I, you should answer this question, because we'll give away 2 things in the middle of the show. Well, middle and end of the show, actually. We'll give away 2 things, but you have to answer this question in order to be entered to win one of the giveaways. And you have to be present to win. Like watching present, not in the shop, because we're closed. Words are hard today, guys. Okay, here's your question, because I am going to see a musical tonight. It's a 2-parter. You know my love of 2-parters. Part A, do you like musicals? Part B, what's your favorite musical you've actually seen live? It doesn't have to be on Broadway live, although I have seen a few of those, but live, okay? We're going to see The Wiz tonight. I'm excited. Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.